Good morning, children. Welcome you all to today's session of computers. And we are solving the concept sheet. And today the chapter is types of software, right? Types of software. Okay. Now, basically, software is a set of instructions or a program meant for carrying out any purpose or any task in a computer. So the task can be of various types, some calculating type, some typing type. So there are so many softwares which are there, right? Now, system software is there, then application software is there, right? Now, see the first one. Which of the following is not an example of operating system? Means operating system are those systems which are meant to run a computer and to control its working. Now we all know MS Windows being the one of the pioneers operating system which are still used. MS Paint, we paint things. It is, I don't think it is linked with any operating. And Linux, yes, in government offices we find this to Linux to be the operating system. So the answer is MS Paint. Yeah, MS Paint is not an operating system. Okay. Next, which software will you use to prepare an invitation? Now, it is meant for calculation. Database is also meant for calculation, and word processing can be one of the softwares which we can use for preparing an invitation. Right? Because we can type text, we can decorate it, we can change it. Which of the following would be the best software to create a phone directory? Right, if we have to now word processing where we type things, it has got nothing to do with directory contains the data like name, then address, then phone number. PowerPoint is for presentation. I think it has to be spreadsheet because there are columns into which we can easily feed, we can sort them, and we can extract data from that as per our need. Okay, so I think it is spreadsheet. Then this runs on a computer hardware, serves as a platform for other softwares to run. It is the platform on which other softwares run. It runs on the hardware, right? So this is a this is the operating system, right? It is the operating system which runs on the hardware. Which of the following is not an application software? MS Word, MS Paint, and operating. The MS Word is an application software. We apply this software to format text. Then we have MS Paint. It is also an application software. Operating system is not an application. It is I think a type of system software. Which type of general purpose software will you use for the following? If you want to listen to a song, we will use an application software. If you want to write a letter, application software. If you want to, right? So this is how you need to do this. I leave the rest of the questions for you to do for the homework, right? Now software, these are basically divided into two categories: system software and application software. Okay, these are the two categories. Rest I leave for you to do for your homework. Okay, so I stop here. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it, right? Because see, software world is a huge world. It's a mammoth world, right? Basically there are many software which are multi-purpose, and there are certain softwares which are very specific purpose, right? And a computer is comprises of all these things. So this world is huge. It's very interesting. Many companies, many organizations have reached zenith just by making softwares like Microsoft by Bill Gates. His Windows created, Flutter in the world, and he is the richest man. He was rather the richest man. So this is the wonder. This is what these softwares can do. You can also develop your own software. There are certain coding languages and all that which are being taught so that you can develop your software. So it's a very interesting word, right? And It's a very pleasing world also, right? So I stop here. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it, and until we meet again, it's a goodbye.